Very good afternoon, Yogesh ji. Thank you very much for coming to our booth. We have showcased many new products in the interactive flat panel and video conferencing product space and also OBS computer. So we'd like to take your feedback, sir. Kaisa laga?
So one, I'm amazed with the full range of products which we have, right from a 75 to 110 inch. So that's really impressive. Someone needs panels for different rooms, they can, have a single source. And talking of a single source, Supertron is a brand which has been in the Indian market for, I think, over 3 decades now. And more important is from the support perspective, we've seen that there are many panel manufacturers who have been coming and they've been shutting shop. So I think in terms of continuity, if someone buys a product and such an expensive product, it's an expensive product from the perspective of when you put hundreds of panels in some organization, you need long-term support.
Absolutely.
I feel with the legacy of Supertron, with your wide dealer infrastructure, your own factory in Greater Noida now,
Yes.
I think all this makes a huge difference.
Thank you very much for your valuable feedback, sir, and thank you very much for visiting our booth. Thank you very much.